How exactly do you make powerful sales presentation? Well, first important thing is while making a sales presentation, ensure that you don't talk about yourself. You talk about the likely pain, risk, challenge or need of the customer that you're presenting to. Once you have done this, you got to understand the importance of focusing your presentation on case studies which can establish a proof of concept in the minds of the customer that you're talking to. Tip number 3 is do not have too much text in your presentation. Use more of videos, visual images and graphic imagery to elucidate or elaborate a point. Tip number 4, always ensure that the hero of your presentation should be one of your clients and not you. And the last tip in the presentation is talk about cost effectiveness of the solutions that you provide to the client. I'm sure by the time you have done these 5 things, your presentations are going to be impactful.